beautiful people, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's tutorial I have decided to do something different. I'll be reviewing this beautiful liquid eyeshadows. Look how cute the packaging is, and there are beautiful 6 shades, and trust me guys, these eyeshadows are a bomb. These are the exact dupe of Stilla Cosmetics, which retails for rupees 2200, and these are very budget friendly. You will get all these beautiful shades just under rupees 600. So you can order online anywhere from Nykaa or Flipkart. And I'll also be doing some Nykaa haul. There is a huge sale going on Nykaa, so please go ahead and order your favorite products from Nykaa. But before jumping into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, let's get started. So here I'll be swatching each and every shade for you so that you can see in person how they look. So the packaging is exact the same as Stilla Cosmetics. It's a cuboid bottle with a clear packaging. Comes with a doe applicator which is easy to apply.
Broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of...
The best thing about these eyeshadows are they are transfer proof, and it takes about just 20 to 30 seconds to dry down. But when you look at these 6 shades, they are very different from one another when it comes to opacity and glitter payoff. Some are opaque and some are sheer. So here I have ordered some sheet mask from Nykaa, as I have already told you that there is a huge sale going on Nykaa. So I ordered 5 of them and I got 5 of them totally free. So in total there are 10 sheet masks. So what you have to do is that you have to add 10 sheet masks in your cart and they will take the price of only 5. How amazing is that? So here I have ordered different flavors. You can add any 10 flavors of your choice. So I have ordered some green tea, some avocado and many more. Here I have got my Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian sunscreen with carrot seed and turmeric, and trust me guys, this brand is amazing because it is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested for Indian skin. And this bottle comes in 80-gram package and it protects from UVA and B rays, crafted for all Indian skin. And it has got SPF 50. Do try this product. Next I have ordered this Kama Ayurvedic Pure Rose Water. It is a 50 ml bottle and it comes with a spray. And guys, can you believe I got both these products totally free with Mamaearth sunscreen lotion. And this one is Argan Hairmask for frizz-free hair. It is paraben free, hypoallergic with bioactives, and it is a 25 ml bottle. So yeah, that's all for today. Let me know in the comment section below that whether you want to see a huge Nykaa and Flipkart haul. I purchased tons of product from Nykaa and Flipkart and I wanted to share it with you guys. But please make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit that notification bell. I love you all. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next video.